All right, hey everybody, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for hanging out. So we've reached the end of our journey. So we're going to be cracking into this last box from our Case of Outsiders. This is box 4 of 4. If you want to see how the other 3 boxes went, you can go check out those videos. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a giveaway following this box opening. So I'm going to be doing a couple custom altars of the heroes from this set that I will be giving away to a couple of you guys for free, shipped. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe on this video as well as the other ones. I'll be picking a couple comments at random for the giveaway. So without further ado, let's get into this last box. Fingers crossed for some spicy stuff. We got some good pulls from the case already. Got a couple cold foils to make up for in this box. So let's see if we can pull it off. right, so another decent box overall. Got some fun stuff. Oh, we did get our 2 cold foils to make up for the lack of cold foil in the last box, so it seems like in this case at least average 1 cold foil per box, which makes sense. But we had 2 boxes that didn't have any cold foils, and we had 2 that had 2 cold foils. In this case, we did get a Majestic cold foil with that lovely pack dust on it again. Scale peeler, potato peeler. Pretty good assassin weapon, actually targets equipment, which all heroes care about, so not a bad one to get. So cold foil scale peeler, happy about that. And fisticuffs, cold foil common, so 3 cold foil commons from the case, 1 Majestic cold foil. No legendaries from this box, unfortunately, but 2 legendaries in the case, so hard to complain there. That's pretty good. Got some interesting Majestics, including another Chase Majestic. So almost all of our boxes, if not all of our boxes, I think, had a Chase Majestic. So another Codex of Frailty, which I'm very happy about. Pretty sure we got 2 Premeditates, 2 Codex of Frailties, so no complaints there. Orbitoclast. This one keeps following me around. Amplifying Arrow. It's one of those Majestics. Fire Breathing was the one from Everfest for some reason. Opened like 7 of them, so this will be my Majestic for the set, unfortunately. So Amplifying Arrow keeps following me around. This is my 3rd Silverwind Shuriken, so I got a play set there. Happy about that. Our common equipment. I added this to the pile because we had a very interesting crimping going on at the top here on this foil Wither. So yeah, really interesting. We just had crimping in 1 pack. It was the Wither and the Riptide behind it. Riptide even more crimped. Wither just the top there, so that's kind of interesting. It might be subtle enough to play with it, but probably not. Could be considered a marked card, but kind of fun. I pulled those aside to show you guys. Foil Spreading Plague. I knew this art was brutal, but man, it's very brutal in foil. Pretty crazy looking. Pretty cool card. I have a playset, I believe, of these now as well, so I'm happy about that. And Cyclone Roundhouse for Ninja. So overall, some fun Majestics, some pretty decent box, got some good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this journey through our case of Outsiders. I hope you guys like the changes that I made to the box openings as well. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe to get in on the giveaways, and give me some feedback. So let me know what you guys want to see in these box openings moving forward. Do you like the commentary? Do you like this no commentary thing that I'm doing now? Prices, no prices. Do you like pack sounds, no pack sounds? So let me know what you would like to see. But for now, I'll let you go. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and we'll talk soon. Cheers.